Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to disable glance screen on your any Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, so if you are using old Samsung phone or if you are using new Samsung phone, so this method you can try in all your Samsung phone. Okay, so what is glance screen? So when you lock your phone, so the glance screen will automatically activate on your phone, so it will change your wallpaper after every few seconds minute. Okay, if you stop this, if you want to block this, you can try this easy and simple method. So just tap and hold on your home screen for few seconds like this, and here you can get the options. From here you need to open the wallpapers like this. In the wallpapers guys, here you can get this type of interface. Open the wallpaper services like this. Okay, and here guys you can get the option dynamic lock screen, glance on Samsung, or if you want to block this, if you want to turn off this completely, you need to select the none option from here. That's it. Okay, and then click on apply. So now the glance screen was disabled on your Samsung Galaxy phone on your lock screen. Now it will not change your wallpaper after every few seconds. Okay, so this is the way to fix this problem. So that's it today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.